The thief got a key to this Lamborghini Urus, protected with a Starline Pro, got in, went to steal it. The car's going to start up, but as soon as they put it in gear, the vehicle's going to cut out. And they're unable to drive it away. They try to put it in reverse, start the car, select a gear, put it in reverse, car cuts out. We can use a push sequence or a phone to start this vehicle. So phone in here, Bluetooth on, start the car, disarm straight away, we can drive off. Obviously you can see these faults because we've tested it, but in a normal day-to-day, this won't happen, and also they clear straight away once started correctly. If the phone goes flat one day, so we turn the Bluetooth off so the phone's technically flat, they get in the car, start it up, go for a unique code 1, 2, 3, 4 we have for now. Hear the disarm tone, select their gear, and the vehicle remains running. This is the Starline Pro. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. So once again, if a thief copied this key, done a relay attack, went to steal the vehicle, started it up, as soon as they put it in gear, car cuts out, unable to drive it. Use a PIN code or pay your phone to start this vehicle. Phone in your pocket, start the car, disarm and drive. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.